All right, so we're going to solve some equations. Instead of using logarithms, I think it'd be more appropriate to say with logarithms. Okay, so we're going to apply all of our knowledge about logarithms and the laws and work through what we can do with each equation. Ultimately, our goal is to get the left side and the right side to be equal to each other, to have the same thing. So in our first example, go ahead and zoom in. We have log base a of x. Well, there's really not much we can do with that, so I know that's going to stay log base a of x. On the right, however, we've got kind of a lot going on over here, so maybe we can do something. I do notice this number in front of our log, which means that was an exponent. So that is log base a of 4 raised to the 3/2 power plus log base a of 3. Well, what is 4 to the 3/2 power? Remember, that is the second root of 4, so square root of 4. And then if we cube that, so the square root of 4 is 2, cubed equals 8. So let's just rewrite that one more time. We have log base a of x is equal to log base a of, instead of 4 to the 3/2 power, we actually know that equals 8, plus log base a of 3. All right, so the next thing we notice is that we are adding our two log base a's together, which means that came from multiplication. So again, the one on the right, the left is not changing. So this next one, we have log base a of 8 times 3. And 8 times 3 is 24. So log base a of x is equal to log base a of 24. All right, what I would like to point out here is that you have log base a of x of 24. So because these two are equal to each other, that means that x must equal 24, because the rest of the equation is exactly the same. And there's our answer. Not too bad. And of course this one looks a little more complicated because we have that x minus 4, but we'll deal with that. Won't be that bad. I see over on the right side a subtraction with our log base b, so we can bring in one of our laws of logarithms. So I'm going to rewrite log base b of x minus 4 equals, when you are subtracting, that comes out of division. So log base b of 27 divided by 3. And we know that 27 divided by 3 is 9. So I'll rewrite this one more time. Log base b of x minus 4 equals log base b of 9. All right, so we have log base b, that's exactly the same. When that's the same, that means that these must be equal. So x minus 4 must equal 9 because these two are equal to each other, and the log base b's was the same. So just a little equation. We'll go ahead and add, you know what to do. Add 4 to both sides. So x is equal to 13. And we've solved our equation.